Are you interested in finding out about the danger of cooking temperatures? There are cooking temperatures that can cause cancer for you and your family. I am looking at a box of crackers that I found in a natural organic health food store. So even there, you cannot be fully protected. These crackers say grain-free, gluten-free, dairy-free, real, wholesome, delicious crackers. But on the side of the box, I found for the first time a warning label. Check it out. This warning label says, consuming this product can expose you to chemicals including acrylamide, which are known to the state of California to cause cancer. Acrylamide in complex carbohydrates like potatoes that are baked or fried or broiled, and crackers and breads and pastas. The higher you cook French fries, potato chips, the higher that you cook, the stronger this plastic-like coating around the food substance is formed, and it's called acrylamide. And I want to tell you about acrylamide today. A study done at the University of Stockholm in Sweden in 2002 demonstrated the toxic effect of high cooking temperatures. For example, potatoes, when they're cooked at high temperatures, they become the potent cancer-causing plastic compound called acrylamide, like in French fries. Most commercial chips also are high in trans fats, cooked in polyunsaturated oils like canola, soybean, safflower, corn, and other seed and nut oils, which produce large quantities of free radicals in the body. Carbohydrate-rich foods under these investigations had high levels of these cancer-causing acrylamides, with potato chips and French fries at the top of the list. In fact, any item containing potatoes produced significant acrylamide upon being heated in microwaves or conventional ovens. The study also found greater amounts of acrylamide are formed as foods are heated to higher and higher temperatures. In potato-based foods, even cooking at a moderate temperature of 120 degrees Celsius began the process of acrylamide formation. 120 degrees Celsius is about 248 degrees Fahrenheit, begins the process of acrylamide formation. In a press release in 2002 from the World Health Organization, it said that acrylamide is a chemical used in the manufacture of plastics. It is a known carcinogen and causes nerve damage. Foods in which acrylamide develops when cooked at about 120 degrees Celsius or 248 degrees Fahrenheit includes the potato chips, French fries, breads, processed cereals, and even crackers like the ones I showed you, and pastas. And an article that came out in the FDA Consumer magazine in 2003 talked about that acrylamide was not found in uncooked food or boiled food. Acrylamides have been classified as a potential human carcinogen, as well as a genotoxicant, a substance that can mutate and damage your genetic material. Even popcorn, they not only contain unhealthful amounts of salt, but they are processed at high temperatures, causing these chemical reactions that will produce this toxic plastic acrylamide in the food. The acrylamide stiffens the food and gives it that crunchy feeling that everybody loves. I say, if you want crunchy, eat celery or an apple to get that crunch. And just be aware, in the book, Prescriptions for a Healthy House, the comment was made that the act of cooking generates significant amounts of indoor air pollution in the form of vapors and airborne particulate matter, such as grease. And food particles left on burners are incinerated and release combustion byproducts. So I recommend make ants on a log using celery stalks for your family and avoid acrylamide altogether. If you got value from this video about cooking temperatures and acrylamide, please subscribe to my channel at Feel Fabulous with Food. Comment and like. And if you are interested in becoming a raw food health coach and helping to spread this message worldwide, click the link below in the description for a free talk about your own health coaching career.